Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch Ultra for workouts. First, open the workout app on your watch. You'll find a wide variety of workout types, over 100 in fact, from running to swimming. Select your desired activity and then customize your goals, such as a 20-minute run or burning 500 calories. Once set, simply tap Start to begin your session. Your Apple Watch Ultra offers advanced metrics to enhance your training. You can monitor real-time data such as your heart rate zones and current pace. The dual-frequency GPS provides incredibly accurate location tracking, even in challenging environments. For runners, you can even view detailed running form metrics like ground contact time and vertical oscillation. Plus, the customizable action button gives you instant control over your workout. The Apple Watch Ultra is built for adventure, boasting water resistance up to 100 meters. This makes it perfect for water sports. You can use the Depth app to monitor your current depth and water temperature during dives. For open water swims, the precise GPS accurately maps your route. Its rugged titanium case and sapphire front crystal ensure durability, ready for any challenge you throw at it. After your workout, dive into the Fitness app on your iPhone for a comprehensive summary. You can review detailed metrics, analyze performance trends over weeks or months, and track your recovery. The watch also helps monitor your sleep patterns, contributing to overall wellness. Don't forget to share your achievements and progress with friends and family to stay motivated.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.